Hi everyone, this is week 18 and this is the last week of new material in this class. So let me go through what's here. We're going to look at distance and net forces this week. So there are some, you've done contact forces, that's where things are in contact. And this week there are some things that are distance forces where they don't touch or are not in contact, but they still are a force that acts on something. And there's 3 of those. You need to be able to list those by the end of the week. You're also going to look at net forces. So forces can add on to things. So we're going to look at how that works. You have 4 assignments due this week. There's a quiz that you're starting off with. I'll go over that in a minute. Some problems, another quiz, and then your vocabulary for the unit. So vocabulary for the unit I have addressed on every video, but you need to open up this document, and each week in this unit you were to be adding words to this list. You needed to put in a word, the definition, a sentence, and a picture. And I gave you some indication as to how many words each week at a minimum you should choose. For example, in week 17, I only put 17 over here twice. So I indicated that you should choose a minimum of 2 words for week 17. For week 18, I put 18 over here 4 times. So at a minimum, this week you should add 4 words to your list. So you can always add more, but you may not add less. So let's look at this week. So you're going to start with some reading. Distance forces, you have gravity, magnetism, and electrical force. Those are all forces that are distance forces. And then there's a quick quiz over your reading. So take notes, use your notes when you get to the quiz. Then you're going to talk about net force, so balanced and unbalanced forces and how those add to act on something. There's a problem to take there, and then there's a quick quiz on net forces, and then you turn in your vocabulary. So that's all due by the end of the week, and then the following week, all you have left to do is take an exam. If you have not, whether or not you take the exam kind of depends on where you're at in the class. So I will be notifying you if you have to take the exam. All right? Good luck.